If you have 5 minutes or less than that, then only continue watch. Otherwise, it would just break the flow as well as reduce your interest to continue further. A very warm welcome to you. I hope you all are perfect. Today we are going to do something interesting. As we can see in the picture, it's contain a flag of some European country. Any guesses? Yes, Portugal. It's a most unique country which not many of us know, but mostly 80% don't know about it. So today we are going to do fun facts about Portugal. I hope you all are excited. Coming to our first fact, what does this say? It talks about that half of the New World once belonged to Portugal. The Portuguese Empire was actually the first global empire in history, lasting for almost 6 centuries. Interesting. If I tell about the analysis, I can see that the graph is increasing. Like if we come to the second fact, it's more interesting. It says Portuguese is the official language of 9 countries. Even in India, Goa people speak this. Not many of Goa peoples, but maybe 20% of the people structure speak this language. Coming to our third point, it says Portugal is the oldest country in the Europe ever since 1139, which is I think an oldest year. This is quite fascinating. Coming to our fourth point or the fact, it talks about that the oldest bookstore in the world is in the Portugal's capital, Lisbon, which is just established in the year 1732. I think you are also feeling the same after hearing this fact to go to the library once in your lifetime. Yes, I think we both are on the same page. Not only this, even there are more doors to open for Portuguese to make our aware of all the facts. The another fact says it is the largest coke producer in the world, with 70% of the world exports are done here. Now I think it's a bit shocking fact. I don't know you relate with this or not, but I can relate it. It says one of the oldest universities in the Europe is in, yes, Portugal only, which is commonly called as the University of Coimbra, situated or established in the year 1290. And as we can see in the picture, it still look the same in the correct position, in the correct manner, and they have just maintained it throughout this longer period of time. I hope you all are enjoying all these facts which we have just discussed below. Yes, coming to our next fact, it says Portugal has the second longest bridge in the Europe. The famous Vasco da Gama, which we all are aware of the name, it is situated in the Lisbon, which is, yes, the capital of Portugal. See, by learning the facts, we are also learning the capital of countries. That's just amazing. We were discussing that this bridge is situated in the Lisbon and it is 7.6 miles long. Studies have shown that it was the longest bridge since 20 years, but now Crimen Bridge, which is situated in the Russia, opened in 2018, and unfortunately, Portugal Bridge has become or ranked in the second. Next fact is quite interesting. Do you know that we have covered the 7 facts? Yes, we are coming to our 8th fact. What does this say? By looking at the picture, we can just make an analysis or assume that many cultures are just joining, mixing their ideas, notion. Yes, what does this say? Our 8th fact, Portugal and England have the oldest diplomatic alliance in the world. Can you just guess how many facts we have completed? Yes, 8. Can you just see? I can't even believe that we have completed 8 facts while just talking, giving our views. Now, by looking at this picture, I think we all can relate that it talks about something adventurous, water activities. Yes, so that's what our 9 point says. It talks about that it is a world top surfing sports country, which is known to have 364 almost 1 year days of surfing. This no doubt makes it a popular destination for surfers and beach goers from all over the world. I think it's look quite mesmerizing with a parachute and you are just paragliding or surfing. As we all know, every coin has two sides, so it does with the Portugal as well. Lisbon, which is the capital of Portugal, now we all are aware of it, was once hit by one of the most powerful earthquake in the European history by an approximately 9.0 magnitude earthquake, which was followed by tsunami and fires that reduced much of the city to rubble. That's the end of our facts about Portugal. I think we all can just relate with it. Last but not the least, it was the first colonial power to abolish the slavery. Yes, the main cause of societal. I mean, words are not enough to express. I believe even you may relate that why Portugal is not the tourist destination, but we all can make it together. Yes.